Hey guys, welcome to my monthly series with the Loot Crate. This month is the heroes, and judging by the side of the box already, that it's going to be Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles themed, and I've been a big fan of the Turtles since the 1980s. Yeah, that kind of aches me a little bit, but you know, what's there not to love about the Turtles? So, if you want to know what the Loot Crate is, you need to go to the website. I'll provide a link in the description. And what it is, you get about $40 worth of little tidbits and things like related to gaming, comics, or movies, or anything like that. And they put it in a box about like this. Sometimes you get to win a thing called the Mega Crate, which is a bigger box, and it's full of stuff like that. And if you want to either get a discount or just subscribe, go to lootcrate.com, and if you want to get $5 off, there is a link in the description where you can get a coupon code to get $5 off. It not only help you, but it'll help me, and it'll help grow the community. So let's get cracking. Oh, also, I have a announcement. I have a shout out to give to a fellow YouTuber of mine called Reese Rhymes, who has been a great supporter to my channel, and I've been supporting his channel, and he's helped me to be inspired to keep going on with the YouTube thing here. And you should go check out his channel. He's got Bad Fix, GTA Let's Plays, gameplay Let's Plays. He does music, and he's got high quality sound. And for his video game plays, he has an Elgato HD capture card, along with what I've got. I have an Elgato too, so check out my videos, check out his videos. I'll put a link to his channel in the description also, and let's get cracking. Alright. Well, just like the villains box, this is the heroes theme, so they're going to do, like I thought, the Turtles theme stuff going on with the box, so I don't want to spell it yet, but I'll show the rest of it later. Alright. First item I saw was the August 2014 button for the Loot Crate, and oh wow. Raphael sunglasses. I know I'm gonna look dorky, but I don't care. Hot stuff, baby. Lightning bolt for your shoes. Gotta be the Flash. Alright. Oh, there's two for both. Pretty cool. And it goes in your laces, it looks like, right there. So, okay. Okay, next item. Oh my god. It's an air freshener, but it's Mega Man. I'm a huge fan of Mega Man. Oh my god. It's even got the original characters on the back for others if you want to go buy some, but oh, that's cool. Yeah. Smells really nice. Okay. Looks like I got a Groot bobblehead. Let's see. Get this guy out and bobble him here. All right. That's awesome. And a Donatello Kid Robot. Comes with his bow, his bow. So yeah, that is awesome. Pretty neat. Oh, and there's stuff to see about collecting others, if not through Lootcrate, but also looking for it in a store or whatnot. It's also pretty cool. Alright, what else we got in here? Oh, a magnet. Chimichango's advertisement. Hey. Bonus digital loot. Looks like there are stuff to redeem. There's codes at the bottom there. I'm gonna blur those out for you guys on the internet. Sorry. Yeah, it looks like bonus codes for Steam games and Defense Grid, Gauntlet, and the Doctor Who Legacy game. So that ought to be interesting. Uh-oh. And of course the Lootcrate Heroes Edition for this month. It tells what's all about what's in this Lootcrate. And some other cool stuff. Like, There's the rest of the box. And as you can see, there is the Konami code. Anyone who remembers the game Contra from the 80s, that gave you 30 lives. And other tidbits from the Konami code. And see, it's very well Turtles themed, and it's real interesting. What do you think? If I took him out of the box, what do you think? No? Let me know. Okay, well, looks like no shirt this week, or this month, but I'm wearing last month's shirt from the Villains Lootcrate, so that ought to be good. Put all this cool stuff away and wrap things up for you. Okay. Alright. Again, if you want to get your own Lootcrate, it is $19.99 plus shipping, and if you want to save $5, click the link below in the description. And thanks for watching. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, subscribe to me, subscribe to Lootcrate, go check out my friend's YouTube channel, stay on my channel, watch my videos of course, and yeah, give this video a like, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace!